Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss for you how to fix Bell Modem Error 2000. So, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel, so let's get started. So, how to exactly fix this issue here if you're getting the error 2000 on your Bell Modem? Now, the thing with this error here, it usually means that your modem here can't connect to the servers for Bell. Which in this case, the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to restart your modem. Now, usually the proper way to restart your modem is first is you want to turn this off, and once your modem is off, you want to wait for a few seconds. So in this case, you may want to wait like 12 seconds minimum. And once 12 seconds is up, you can go ahead and just turn it back on and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing that you need to consider here is you want to touch your modem here, see if it's hot. Now, if your modem is hot, it is recommended that you turn this off and let it sit for about a few minutes. Now, maybe around 10 minutes if you can. And once it's properly rested, it's no longer hot, you can go and turn it on and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually works, it means that there might be some problems with Bell's servers. So in this case, it's best to contact your provider here and see what they can actually basically do or help you solve this issue. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.